Hi, today we will see how to manage URLs in user settings for Loveria. Go to Admin Panel. Select the Page menu from the side menu bar. Click on Add New Page btn. Enter the information on page. Select the checkbox in the Add page. Select the Edit action and copy the preview URL from that page. Now open the settings from the side menu bar. Select the user setting from the Settings drop-down. Now paste your copy URL into the URL setting. Update the setting. Now you can see your added URL on the Create Account page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.